Good evening, sir. Hello.
Hi, good evening. Good
Hello.
evening, sir. Can you hear me?
Good evening, sir. I can hear you, sir.
Yes.
Sir, sorry, sir. I couldn't join last class because I had a power cut in my house.
Okay, no problem. Big pizza.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Morning, sir.
Okay, shall we start?
Yes,
Good
sir.
evening,
Yes,
Sorry,
sir.
I just internet issues. I internet issues, so I joined late.
Yes, sir. We can start.
Okay. Only Tarun is taking time, right?
So
Tarun.
I don't think he'll join late. I think he's in class.
Okay. Okay, we will start. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you all able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No,
No, sir.
it
No,
is
sir.
shared.
No, sir. We can't see your screen. I was like,
Okay.
I thought it's only for me.
Dude, this chapter isn't that tough, sir.
What chapter?
The chapter we are doing right now.
What chapter are we doing right now?
The Five Kingdom classification.
There's not even tough. Who said it's tough?
No, in 7th standard it was really tough, right? Like, you know,
Big,
we had to
big,
learn a
it's
lot.
not tough.
Bro, you know how tough it was in 7th standard.
What? What did you say?
You know, like how tough it
It was
in
very
7th
tough.
standard. Yeah,
I
it was
don't
really
remember.
tough.
That's how tough it was. I'll just go take my book 1 second.
It was that lengthy chapter in our biology book.
I know that was like
Okay.
1/8 of our textbook.
Hello, students. Can you hear me?
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
Students, can you all hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I think, in the last class we discussed the plant kingdom, right?
Yes,
should
sir.
start.
Sir,
We
your screen
stopped
is
in
not
plant
visible.
kingdom.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Your screen is not visible.
Yeah. It's about the kingdom Animalia.
So you
Okay.
shared your screen. We can see, but we can't see
Yes,
it, sir. Like you shared your screen, but it's gray.
I
It's gray
shared.
in color. So,
Can you all able to see now? No.
no, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, what are the 4 kingdoms which we studied already?
Sir, we studied. Sir, we studied Monera, Protesta, fungi, and plante or yeah,
Very good.
plante.
Very good. Very good. So now animals. See, very few general characteristics of animals are given here because in animal kingdom there are 11 phylum. Okay, in animal kingdom we have 11 phylum, and but we are not going to discuss all of those things. Only the general characteristics of animals. Look at here. All animals are multicellular, eukaryotic, heterotrophic. Okay, what are the 3 general characteristics?
Multicellular,
eukaryotic, and heterotrophic.
Multicellular means
They
more
have
than one cell.
multiple, yeah, more than one cell.
okay. Eukaryotic means
Have a
they-
definite nucleus.
Yeah.
Yes.
Well-defined nucleus with the cell wall.
heterotrophic means
Sir,
They cannot produce their own
they
food.
cannot produce their own food.
Yes, right.
okay. They use different methods for their nourishment.
Yes, sir.
So your voice is breaking.
Fine. So different mode of heterotrophic nutrition. Am I audible now?
Sir.
Hello.
Yes,
Yes.
sir. You're audible, sir.
What are the
Fine now.
different modes of heterotrophic nutrition? Different modes of heterotrophic nutrition.
I don't know, sir.
Okay, I will tell you. Please listen.
So, what is this? Omnivorous, herbivores. Is that it?
Listen. This parasitism.
Your voice is breaking like this. You're speaking.
Okay, please note down.
Yes.
Parasitism.
Sir, your voice is breaking a lot, sir.
That's
Sir,
why.
are we audible?
Sir, can you hear us?
Yeah,
Sir, when you
I
say
can
now,
hear you all clearly.
that error is visible, sir.
Okay, different modes: parasitism and saprophytism. And then Holozoic mode.
So, parasitism means eating their own species. Is that right?
No, feed on parasites means what? Feed on living host.
Insects.
Like viruses.
Oh.
Feed
Viruses
on
don't.
living host, like bacteria. Feed on
A specific being.
living host.
Feed on what?
Living host. Living another living organism. They depend.
Yes.
Example: bacteria lives on our skin?
Sir, these are three types of heterotrophic nutrition.
Yeah, they are different modes of heterotrophism. Okay,
Yes, sir.
parasites, the microorganism which causes disease. Okay, microorganisms which causes disease or parasites. Okay,
Yes.
pathogens, parasites. And then
Yes.
saprophytes, dead matter, dead and decaying matter. They feed on what? Decomposes.
Dead
Basically,
and-
they are decomposes. And
Can
then
you spell
decaying
the
matter.
second one?
Yeah, second one, saprophytes. And then third one, Holozoic mode in heterotrophism, that we follow. What we follow?
Hodozoic.
Yeah. See, we follow 5 steps. One is ingestion. You know that? What is ingestion?
The
We
mouth
eat.
part.
Yeah, we eat. Okay, and then
Yes.
digestion. We break
Stomach.
down. And then absorption.
Absorbing the nutrition, vitamins.
Absorption in stomach. And then distribution and utilization. Distribution and utilization.
And
And
then
then
excretion.
egestion. Yeah, excretion. Egestion. Okay, can you understand these processes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. That is another an important mode of nutrition in organisms, especially animals. Okay,
Yes,
fine.
sir.
So all are multicellular and they do not have cell wall. Only animal cells lack cell wall. Very important factor. And then no chlorophyll. And they show locomotion. You know, locomotion.
They can move.
Okay, yeah, they eating like holozoic mode or sucking parasitic mode.
Sir,
Can
can
you
you go to that
Yes.
Holozoic mode once, sir?
Can you see ingestion,
Hello?
digestion,
Yeah, he's
absorption,
going.
distribution, egestion? Actually they call it as assimilation, but anyway, distribution you can say. Okay,
So everything in the kingdom Animalia follows the Holozoic mode, right? Holozoic.
most of the organism. Okay,
Yes.
Yes,
there
sir.
are animals which are parasites. For example, worms. There are many worms are there, like leech. Leech is an animal, right?
Yes, sir.
Leech. Okay, they are ectoparasite. On your skin, they are present. They suck the blood. Sucker. They are sucker.
Yes,
they suck
sir.
your blood.
Yes, sir.
They are ectoparasite. Okay, and lice, which there on your head. Okay,
Yes. Yes.
yeah, fine. Endoparasites also there. What are endoparasites? They live inside your body. Bacteria, fungi, all these things.
So,
Actually,
but,
here animals come, so worms.
so, but bacteria
There are
can't
many
come under this
worms in your intestine. Now, worms like bacteria, worms.
Yes, sir.
Okay, segmented, flatworms, lukeworms, tapeworms. You know that lukeworm,
Yes, sir. Yes,
tapeworm,
sir. Yes, sir.
segmented worm. Okay, lukeworm. It's flatworms. They are what actually flatworms, and then roundworms, and then segmented worms.
Yes.
Okay, they are what
Yes, sir.
actually parasites. They can live as parasites in humans and other animals. Okay, fine.
Yes,
So
sir.
that's about the 5 kingdom classification. So please know about all the important things. Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
And maybe later
What's it?
there are in biology we give more importance to among all of the living organisms. We give more importance to plants and animals. Okay, plants and animals. Can you tell me the most important differences between plant and animals?
So animals can move, but plants can't. Like they're mobile.
Yeah, locomotion. Then
Sir,
Sir,
plants have chlorophyll unlike animals.
sir, plants grow infinitely and animals they
Okay.
grow to a limit.
Plants have chlorophyll and animals don't, and plants can do
No
photosynthesis than
chlorophyll.
animals,
Okay.
and
So no
animals can't do.
photosynthesis. Hmm.
No producing
Animals
their
have
own
a
food.
animals have like a small body to be able to
Sir,
do this.
plants have
Hmm.
large vacuoles and animals don't.
Hmm. Okay. Then
Like animals have a compact body while plants have spreading body. Like every
What?
yeah, it's actually a thing. The bodies of
okay.
plants are like spreading in order to have like large surface.
Yes.
Oh,
Absorption of gases.
sir. Plants
Hmm.
have cell wall and animals don't.
Very good. Cell wall.
The cells of plants have cell wall, not
Yeah,
Hmm.
plants,
Anyway, cell wall.
plants
Okay, it's the
have
Anyway,
same
cell
thing.
wall.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's
uh,
the
Yes,
same
that
thing.
is an important character. Anyway, good. See, listen.
So the plants do not
See,
have a
look into
digestive
the
system.
table. Very good. Most of the thing you said. Chlorophyll, no chlorophyll. Okay, and then fixed and locomotion. No locomotion here. They're fixed. They can move freely. Okay. Yes, photosynthesis. Yes. No photosynthesis.
Heterotroph.
Okay. No special digestive organ. We have digestive system. Yes, they have cell wall, no cell wall. Large vacuole, no vacuole or small vacuole. Okay, they have root system, shoot system. But we have different organ system like digestive system, respiratory system, nervous system, reproductive system. Almost 11 system we have.
Yes.
And then they show intermediate growth. Okay, indeterminate in the sense unlimited growth. Okay, here limited growth. Okay, and they show localized growth and uniform. They show a pattern of growth. Okay, and then
See, I told
spreading type. They can spread compact. Yes, you told, and respond slowly. But we have a very good control and coordination system. Okay, so
Yes.
very important questions you must know about. Of course, logically you can answer all these questions. Okay,
So 3 marks means you have to write all 11.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, do we have to write all 11 in case they ask?
Okay. Fine. Okay. It depends. It depends. Sometimes in 2 mark question they ask. You don't have to write everything. Phototroph, heterotroph, limited group, very distinguishing characters. If you write, that's enough. But in key terms, like you don't have to write in sentences. At least in the boxes it is given, right? Bolded and it is present in a box. If you write that itself enough. Even
Yes.
in any question it is asked, any section it is asked, you can do that. Okay.
Yes.
Fine. Next.
And also in plants, there won't be like a definite number of
Definite
outer
number of
parts. Like in humans, if we see every human will have 2 hands and 2 legs, whereas in plants,
yes.
if
See,
a
that
plant
is what
grows,
Mutations.
yeah, very
plant
good.
grows,
See,
it can
humans,
have like 1,000
we show-
stems or a 2,000 stems.
yeah, that is called what in animals? That is called what? Symmetry.
Schematic.
We show, yeah, bilateral symmetry means body pattern. Symmetry means what? Body pattern. We show bilateral means 2 equal of present in the body. Okay, body pattern
Yes.
called symmetry. Yeah, but do not show symmetry.
Yes.
General. Okay, fine. Next, very good. So go through the 5 kingdom classification well also. Okay, now naming the organ.
That was the hard part.
Yeah, this is the only hard part.
There are different in type of names. Something called what? Common name.
Biological names.
Yeah, what is called the common name?
the name we use like normally.
Yeah,
Man,
common
dog.
name in the sense. Listen.
For
Something
a
called what
specific
in English.
species.
See, English is a universal language. Like English is a universal language. Means in everywhere, they speak English, they know English basically. So in English, it is common. Everybody knows what is frog. Right?
Yes.
Frog, everybody knows. Swarm knows all part of the world. Wherever human beings live, if they know English, they can understand. Is it clear?
Yes.
That's a common name. And then something called what? Regional name or local names. What are called local names or regional names?
So like in
Mammals.
like what?
For example, see, listen. How many of you know Hindi?
I know, sir.
Okay, fine.
All of
In
us don't
Tamil,
know what.
frog is called what?
That's why I said it.
Couple.
Tavalai.
Yeah, Tavalai.
So
Okay.
that's Tamil.
But in, yeah, Tavalai. Okay. But in Hindi?
I think it's
Tappad.
couple, sir.
Tappad. I thought it's Kutta.
Means dog da.
Kutta is dog.
Okay.
Okay, something is there, right? Even I do not
Yes.
know. Is it clear? So, in every local people, they like in Hindi, some other name. In Malayalam, maybe some other name. Like that. In Mauritius, some other name basically. Okay, fine.
Yes.
So, to avoid such kind of confusions, okay, if one name is given all over the world, it should be same. Okay, for that only, what they prefer, the scientists, like they wanted to give scientific name for organisms. Okay, scientific language. Okay, and it follows the scientific language, not Tamil language, not English language, but it is a scientific language, Latin based scientific language. Okay,
Yes.
can you understand this? Fine. In that, one person called what? His name is Linnaeus. Okay, what is his name? Linnaeus.
Linnaeus.
Yeah, this person introduced a method called what? Naming method called what? Binomial nomenclature. Very good. Binomial nomenclature. Okay, and they are giving one example here. The hill crow is called what? Crow. They are using crow as an example here. The hill crow is called what? Corvus macrorhynchos. Macrorhynchos. Okay, macrorhynchos. Can you understand? The hill crow is
Yes,
called what?
sir.
Corvus macrorhynchos. But the house crow, the one which we commonly see, is called what? Corvus splendens. Okay.
Yes.
Sir, but
So,
you can't use it in our daily life, no? Like you can't just
You want you can
look
use
at that Corvus
don't understand.
macrorhynchos.
this is not
That's
for
why
using in.
it's-
See, listen. It is not for using day-to-day life. It is for research purpose, scientific purpose.
Code name.
If I want to study biology in higher studies, I should know the scientific names, especially if I'm working with animals. And more specifically, if I'm working with crow, I should know this. Okay, not every organism name should be known for everyone. Okay, can you tell me what is our scientific name?
Yeah, Homo sapiens.
Very good. We are Homo sapiens.
So there is name for our ancestors also, right? So like the ape,
There
Many.
called,
Yeah, that's what. See, listen.
Homo something.
For every organism, there is a name. You don't have to remember all these things. And fine, listen, but remember important thing. See, listen. In binomial nomenclature, two parts. The name has two parts. Okay, the name has what? Two parts. First part is called what? Genus name. First part is called what? Genus name. Second part is named what? Species name.
Species.
Do you remember in last class we studied about taxonomic hierarchy? Do you remember?
Yes. Kingdom, phylum,
Species,
class.
Yes, sir.
genus.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me the
Family.
order. Species, genus,
Species, genus, family, order,
Species,
class,
family, order,
phylum,
class,
and kingdom.
phylum, and kingdom.
Phylum, kingdom.
family, order, class,
Class, phylum,
phylum,
Species. Sorry,
kingdom.
phylum.
Kingdom.
Kingdom. Very good. Very good. Okay. So in binomial nomenclature, look at that. The name consists of what? The two components. First is
genus,
genus name, and then it comes under what? Species name. Genus name and species name. Okay. Can you
Yes.
understand? And
yes.
yeah, actually there are many rules are there for naming the organisms. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So look at the some examples. See first rules. First,
They should always be in italic.
yeah, written in Roman script, and then when it is like italics,
Written
if you are writing, it should be underlined.
in. So will they in the exam ask very important names of biological names like man, dog?
Definitely they will ask. Look at that. Homo sapiens. All these things usually you should know. Okay, Panthera tigris, Canis familiaris, Mangifera indica.
Manifera,
Definitely they will ask. Definitely you should
Yes.
remember these things. Okay. At least
yes.
the common name and the scientific name.
The
Okay.
scientific name is always the last two, genus and species.
Yes.
Yes.
Common name is given here.
Man,
The
water,
common name.
house cat,
Okay.
tiger.
And everything. What kingdom they belong. Phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. Everything
When
is there.
they, sir, when they mean by man, does it mean both man and woman?
Yes.
Modern man, it means men and women. Okay?
Modern human.
It means.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Humans.
Now,
Like that.
see, listen. Look at the rules. Like italics. When you are when it is printed, it should be in italics. When it is written, it should be underlined. And second thing,
So
first letter
italics.
first letter of the genus name should be capital letter, and species name should be the second part in small letter. Look at that.
Yes.
Homo, H is capital and rest are small.
S
It is
small
italicized.
letter.
When I'm writing, I should underline it like this. For example,
Yes.
if I'm writing here like this, Homo separately, sapiens. If I do like this, which is correct?
Oh, yeah.
The first one is correct.
Yes,
This
sir.
one is wrong. Okay?
Because S is
Separate lining. Yeah, that's what they're telling. The second.
Sir, so it should be one word.
No,
No.
it should be two word.
But the second word should start
That's
with
why
a small letter.
binomial means two. The second one is wrong, I told you.
Sir, so
Maybe
the
if I
second
do-
one should start with the small s.
What?
Yes. Small
Yeah,
S,
yeah,
not
yeah.
S.
Yeah. It doesn't look like a small one now.
What is wrong in this?
Yes, it looks like a small capacity.
I will make it clear then.
What is wrong in this?
S is big.
Oh, that's it.
Yes.
That's a lot of s.
Homo?
We get lose marks for it, so even if we don't have to write it.
Okay. Homo sapiens. And then it should be underlined like this. I'm writing, it should be underlined like this. Okay, is it clear? This is the correct one. Okay,
Yes, sir.
fine. Now, look at the statistics. We have more than, look at that, how many species we have?
So we have almost
Lakh
like a
species.
million species.
Million species, many million species. And
Sir.
listen,
Sir,
there are
then,
many species we established, we studied and documented. Okay, and so these are among the animal groups.
116
Here,
million species, sir.
you can't hear me.
Hello?
So we can.
Hello.
We can,
hear.
sir.
Yeah. See, in
Sir,
your
I
higher
said
class,
there are
you will,
116 million species.
yeah, means
So,
they call, no,
116
they call it as what in highest classes, class 11, class 12, 1.7 to 1.8 million species. Okay, in higher class it will say, but here you remember the number which is given in your textbook. Okay, and
Yes.
when you go to your higher class, you will say 11 species, but here they are telling important 9 species, 9 phylum, 9 phylum. Okay, can you understand what are
Yes.
the 9 phylum?
A ninth
Animals.
phylum.
Yeah, see, listen, the kingdom is Animalia. How many
Yes.
phylums are there?
9.
What are the phylum?
Porifera,
Cnidaria,
Cnidaria,
Nidaria. See silent. Nidaria.
Nidaria,
Nidaria,
Platyhelminthes,
Platyhelminthes,
Platyhelminths.
Platyhelminths,
Nematodes.
Nematode, Annelida,
Annelida.
Arthropoda,
Arthropods.
Arthropoda,
Mollusca.
Mollusca,
Echinodermata.
Echinodermata. Chordata. Can you
Chordata.
understand?
Yes,
So,
sir.
and many, see, in general, porifera are sponges. You know sponges?
Yes, sir.
Sponges. Simple multicellular organism. Sponges. Okay?
Oh,
Aquatic. Nidaria also simple multicellular organism. Platyhelminths are what? Flatworms. Very few I just explained. Flatworms.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And then nematodes are roundworms. Annelida are segmented worms. Segmented worms. Arthropods are insects.
Jointed.
Yeah, arthropods are insects. Mollusca are mollusks, like snail, like snails. Then of course, Echinodermata, Hemichordata. There are two comes here actually. Echinodermata, Hemichordata. But okay, Echinodermata, and then finally chordates. Animals with notochord. Notochord. Notochord.
Yes.
Notochord only differentiate into spinal cord. Okay, chordata.
Notochord is like every living being. It's most of the thing.
Yes.
Like the core data is like most of the animals. Like,
Echinochordata.
No, normal chordata.
Chordata. See,
Yes.
the animals with notochord, they are called what? Chordates. Okay,
Yes, sir.
fine. Notochord only differentiate into what? Brain. Notochord is the part which develop into brain. Okay, fine.
Yes.
So 9 phylum, and then the chordates are classified into, okay, invertebrata and vertebrata.
Vertebrate.
Listen, in general, not chordates. Look at that. From porifera, from here and to here. Okay. From porifera to echinodermata, they are called what? Invertebrates. Means no vertebral column, no backbone. Okay. no backbone. So all these organisms will not have what? Backbone. Okay. Only chordates will have. Okay. They can have vertebrates. They are called vertebrates. Even some kind of funny chordates only have vertebrates.
Yes, sir.
Do we have vertebrae? Are we coming under
Yes.
vertebrate or yes?
Yes, sir. We do.
Yes,
What
sir. We
is
have a
vertebrate?
backbone.
Vertebrates.
Yeah, the
We are
backbone, the vertebral
Yes.
column. Okay, fine. So invertebrates do not have backbone, no backbone. Vertebrates with backbone. Okay,
Yes,
fine.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, among those things, look at that. Simple differences are given here. Vertebrates and invertebrates. Okay, look at that. Vertebrates will have in endoskeletal system. What is called the endoskeletal system? Internally,
Sir,
there should be
internal skeletal system.
they have actually external. If it is there, external. Otherwise, no. So no internal skeletal system in invertebrates. Okay, and then vertebrates, backbone. Here, no backbone, and then tail is usually present, but tail is absent. But see, it is general characters only. But in humans, we do not have tail. Okay,
Yes,
fine.
sir.
And then heart is on the front side when present on the dorsal side, and spinal cord, nerve cord, dorsal and hollow. Nerve cord ventral is solid actually. Two pairs of limbs, upper limbs, lower limbs, and here three or more pair of limbs if present. And then they are warm-blooded animals. Red blood cell is present, and then they are actually hemoglobin. If present, it is also
Sir, but we
installed
have
from
more than two pair. Okay, nothing.
what?
Nothing, sir.
Limbs are two pairs of limbs.
Oh, yeah, yes. I thought two limbs.
Four limb, higher limb. Two pairs.
Yes.
Four limb, hind limbs. Okay. Upper limb,
Yes, sir.
lower limb. We have. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Fine.
Yes,
So
sir.
they are the general characteristics we should know about vertebrates and invertebrates. Okay. Now let us discuss about the important thing. What is the first one? Porifera. Okay. Yes.
Yes. Sir.
Yes. For your refreshment, just tell me what are the important. The order wise, tell me. Phylums, different 9 phylums.
Porifera, Cnidaria,
Nidaria,
Cnidaria,
Platyhelminths,
Platyhelminths,
Platyhelminths, Nematoda,
Platyhelminths,
Nematoda,
What?
Nematodes, Nematoda,
Nematoda.
Nematoda, Annelida,
Annelida.
Arthropoda, Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata, Chordata. Okay,
Yes, mollusca.
just
Yes, sir.
read it loudly
Echinodermata.
and have the practice of it. Okay, this
Yes,
order
sir.
is also very important. See, the phylum order is also very important because it starts from simplicity and goes towards complexity. Okay, fine. Now let's see one by one.
yes, sir.
First, Porifera. Okay, see this then.
Yes, sir.
Porifera are also called what? Pore-bearing organism. Sponges. Okay, sponges
Yes,
comes
sir.
under Porifera. Okay, they are the simplest multicellular organism. Their body has hollow tube and Very important characteristics. You look at that. There is no single mouth, but many pores or canals are present in the body. Okay, many pores.
Yes.
Can you see?
Yes.
Many pores in the body. That's why they are called what? Porifera. Many pores which are present in the body. Okay, and
Yes, sir.
look at that. They have the special units. You should know that opening. You can see that opening is called what? Asculum. Okay, in the body, the
Yes.
pores are there called what? Ostia. Ostia, asculum, or the technical terms you should know. They may ask you to define what is ostia, what is asculum. Okay,
Yes.
all over the body, the pores are present. The like the red one which I marked are the pores.
Yes.
They are the pores all over the body. You can see. Okay, all over the body you can see. That's why they are porifera.
Yes.
Entry of water occurs through this pore, and then
Yes.
exit opening. Okay, there is one opening. You can see in the end. You can see some opening through which water or whatever can come out, which is called what? Exit called what? Asculum. Okay,
Yes.
astia, asculum, and then you can see skeleton. Body is made up of what? Spicule, microscopic spicule. Okay, they are also called
Yes.
what? Which is made up of elastic sponging fiber. Okay,
Yes.
and another important thing, almost all of them are present in sea, ocean. Okay, they are aquatic. Very few
Yes.
are normal, but you keep remembering one thing, they are aquatic. Examples are
Yes.
cycon, bath sponge. Okay, cycon and bath sponge. The
Is
one
this
which is given.
only poriferas or are they more, sir?
No, no. See, there are many organisms are there. We just take
Oh,
two organisms as an
Sorry,
example.
sir, I had to leave. I had a power cut.
Okay, fine. There are many organisms. This is just phylum we are discussing, right? Under phylum, there are many. What it the phylum consists of? What? Many
Many.
class. Class consists of
Sorry,
many
sorry.
order.
Many odd. Sorry. Hello.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hello. Look at that.
Your voice
Kingdom
is.
consists of many phylum. Phylum consists of many order. Means many class. Class consists of order, then family, then genus, species. So many are there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
you were here, no, when we did this.
Okay. Listen.
Yeah.
Tell me the characteristics of porifera.
So
What?
they have like pores on them.
Okay.
They have
Very
tiny
good.
tiny pores on them. They have
Hmm.
opening on the exit on the top,
Hmm.
and
So
then
where is
they
porifera?
have hairy things called
Oh.
specule.
Okay. See, please listen. The key terms are they are pore-bearing organism. They are simplest multicellular organism. They show only cellular level of organization, and they are hollow tube-like structure. And in the body, the pores are present called osculum, means ostia, and the exit opening is called
Sir, they
osculum.
absorb water.
Yes, water transport. Okay, fine.
Hello.
So
Yes, sir, I can hear
cycon
you.
and bark
Yes,
sponges are the
Hello.
Suma, stop saying hello,
Fine.
hello.
Fine. Next,
Hello, am I
shall we
audible?
go to the next one?
You are. Yes, sir, we can go to the next page, sir.
Nidaria.
Indeed.
See, the other name for Nidaria are called what? Colenterata. Okay, Colenterata. Okay, they are
Yes, sir.
pore-bearing animal. Colenterata are sac-like animal. Okay,
Yeah,
examples
sorry, I
are
can hear you again.
hydra, jellyfish, sea anemone, corals. Okay,
Yes, sir.
fine.
So what were you doing, sir?
Hmm?
What did you just tell?
We are
What
doing
you are asking?
Nidaria.
Nidaria. C silent pa. C is silent. So me, Nidaria. Nidaria. Coelenterata or coelenterata, whatever. Coelenterates. Okay, coelenterates or coelenterata or coelenterata. Okay, coelom. Basically, coelom means what? Body cavity. Coelom means what? Body cavity. They have body cavity. Inside that, outside one layer of tissue, and inside that they have body cavity. That's why they call what? Coelenterata. Okay,
Yes, sir.
fine. Look at the general characteristics. Two-layered body wall. Inside single cavity. Okay.
Sir, are corals like plants, or are they are corals underwater plants, or are they animals, sir?
Animal.
They're living rocks.
Yeah,
Okay.
you didn't know?
Fine.
Sir, do they do locomotion?
No.
Yes. See, animals
Yes.
showed us special
Exceptional cases.
property is locomotion, but depends upon the organism. Okay, look at that. They have, for example,
Sir, he's asking
if
if
they
corals
have,
do locomotion. He's asking corals if they do locomotion.
you're asking
They have exceptions, though. So your voice is lagging or breaking.
corals.
Can you guys hear, sir?
So your voice is breaking.
See,
So your screenshot stopped. Your voice is lagging. What is it?
Hey, Kongwil, do we have any homeworks?
Yeah, we have maths.
Yes.
Okay, math
It's more
and
of a
art.
punishment. Sir, can you hear us?
Did you finish your maths homework?
Oh, hey, when I put HE, it said, can you help me there? Can I put, I put, he, HE,
You're
H,
attending
I
from
put,
your tab.
no, laptop only.
Laptop also gives autocorrect.
No,
Why
in
are
the
you having
chat
on?
itself. Can you just put like, no, laptop, CAN and then space and then just put U, not YOU, just U. And then put H, it'll autofill like help me.
You can disable it in your settings if you want. Like computer.
Yeah,
I
it's
don't
like,
want
can
to,
you
it's
help
funny.
me? It's like, can you help me?
I don't want to, it's funny.
Dude, there's if
Where?
you,
That doesn't come for me.
In the chat room.
no, you have to enable it.
I didn't do anything.
It's like not learning room. It's not learning room settings. It is PC
Wait, let me
settings.
try something else.
Pretty sure every computer every PC has auto spelling for default.
Yeah, even Mac has.
Yeah, as default.
Yeah, I
Yeah, but
disabled it.
Mac sucks. You can't do almost so many games. You can't download almost so many games, bro.
For gaming, it's bad, but for like
Yeah, I like.
I
actual
know
use, it's good.
a teenager thinks about only that. If
I
you
want
have a computer.
customization. MacBook doesn't have that good custom.
Bruh.
Sir, can you hear us?
hello,
Yes, sir.
can you hear me?
Yes, sir,
Yes,
we can.
sir.
So, can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, sir, we can, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
We can
sir.
hear you.
Yeah, please listen. Okay, the characteristics of Nidaria are having two-layered body wall, and then internally they have single cavity, and then opens by
So your voice
a
is
mouth.
breaking
Then they
so
have
much.
tentacles. What to do?
So it's like stopped it in the middle and then you're saying something. Okay, now you can
Just
continue
10
for
minutes.
me.
Yeah.
Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir, you can continue, sir. We'll try.
Yeah. Listen. Two layered body wall, single cavity inside. They have mouth at one end. They have tentacles. Tentacles plays a crucial role in these animals. They catch food. They support locomotion, signal transduction, etc. They are present in water, sea, and very few are freshwater. Corals have hard skeleton made up of calcium carbonate. Okay, they are the important characteristics of what? Cnidaria.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and next,
Sir, are jellyfish basically swimming corals?
No.
Okay.
A swimming
same phylum.
living being.
See, jellyfish. Yeah, listen. See, they have one property called what? Bioluminescence. What is called bioluminescence?
They can like glow in the dark ocean. They produce electricity when touched.
Bioluminescence property means
They light up in the dark.
they absorb light on a particular wavelength and emit light at different wave. Yeah. Okay, bioluminescence property. The jellyfish will have. Okay.
So what other
next
creatures
step.
have this property, sir?
What?
What other creatures have this property?
This
Like,
fireflies, yeah.
Jellyfish.
Fireflies.
I don't think that's the same.
Which
No,
one?
fireflies also glow in the dark, right?
I know they glow in the dark. I
Yeah.
never
See,
said
there are
never said
proteins.
bioluminescence.
See, listen. In their body, there are proteins. Fluorescent proteins. They only
So your voice is lagging.
absorb
I don't think fireflies and jellyfish both have bioluminescence. I think there's actual light inside the firefly, like something other than
not all
bioluminescence.
the
Yes, sir.
not all of the animals will have, all of the cnidarians will have bioluminescence property. Some organisms like jellyfish, they have bioluminescence property. Okay.
Sir, do fireflies also have them, sir, because they glow in the dark?
Minmini puchi. Yes. In Tamil, they are called what? Minmini puchi. Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
sir,
Same
yes.
property. Minmini puchi. Yeah. They absorb light at very less wavelength and then emit with a high wavelength. That's why you get that bioluminescence property.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine. But they are terrestrial. Jellyfishes are aquatic.
Yes, sir.
Fine.
Jellyfish.
And next thing, look at that. You have lot of similarities between platyhelminths, nematodes, and annelida. See, platyhelminths are flatworms. Nematodes are roundworms. And annelida are segmented worms. Okay? Flatworm, roundworm, segmented worms. Okay? And then look at the general characteristics. They are small, soft, flat, unsegmented, without body cavity. They are very flat. First thing. And then please listen. Alimentary canal. What is alimentary canal? From mouth to anus.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Alimentary canal has only
no,
one
it's not
opening,
breaking.
the mouth. Okay. Listen. Yeah. And most flatworms live inside our body called parasite. Do you remember we saw this mode of nutrition? Parasites.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Parasites.
Some are free living, some are fresh water. Okay. Examples are given. parasites, liver fluke, and tapeworm, free living, and planarian. Okay, some examples are given here. Planaria,
Yes.
and then the tapeworm. Okay,
So
two
these
examples
worms
of
actually are inside us.
parasites. Yes, inside animals. Now,
Inside animals.
roundworms. See, listen, roundworms. They are long, cylindrical, unsegmented, without body cavity. And then alimentary canal opens at two ends, mouth and anus. See, listen, here you have only mouth,
Yes.
only one opening mouth. But here you have mouth and anus. Okay, again, parasitic. Example, some are free living in soil. Example, hookworm, ascaris in humans. Okay, ellworms in potato plants. Ascariasis. See, we get infections in that because of this ascariasis. Okay, fine. Next, annelida or segmented worms. In the body, you have segments.
Yes, sir.
Okay, example, earthworm, leeches, nereis. They are cylindrical, divided into ring-like segments. Many ring-like segments. They have well-developed digestive system and alimentary canal with mouth and anus. They have body cavity. Yes, they have body cavity. All rest will not have body cavity. Only they have body cavity. Okay, and then they are giving lot of information about the earthworms. An example is earthworm. They live in burrows, dam soil. Like they eat soil. Of course, they are the friends of farmer, okay, and they produce humus. Means what? Decomposition. Earthworm main function is decomposition. Okay, earthworm main function is decomposition. Okay, they love to live without light. They avoid light basically. That's why they are called what? Active during the night time, nocturnal. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and they travel on the surface at night only for feeding and mating. Okay, dry soil unsuited for earthworms. Okay, the skin, they keep their skin very moist. Okay, fine. Next, what is the species name, genus name?
So it is
Ferritima postuma. Okay, Ferritima postuma, Indian earthworm. Look at the body character. 80 to 100 segments they have. No head, no appendages, legs, eyes, tail. Nothing they have. And they have mouth, they have anus, they have in the body the glandular skin, and this part is called what? Clitellum. This part is called what? Clitellum.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, short cylindrical, thick glandular skin. That is the gland. They keep earthworm moist all the time. Okay, they are present in the 14th to 16th segment, and this clitellum serves in reproduction. Okay, fine.
Yes.
And look at that. The color, the lighter colored ventral side bears important openings called what? There only the clitellum are present, like as we saw reproduction.
Yes.
Is it clear? So basically, the important characteristics of earthworm you should know, and the economic importance.
They used to
Agriculture,
compost to
yeah,
break down.
aeratus of the soil, okay, respiration of roots and plants need this earthworm, and then they interchanging the topsoil with lower soil and increasing the fertility of the soil. And the excreta, vermicompost. Okay, what is vermicompost?
Like
The humus
Decomposition of
material, yeah, decomposed material,
organic
which is,
waste.
yeah, organic farming, very good. Organic material, nitrogenous matter is required for plant growth, and earthworm or bees used in vermiculture for high quality manure. Okay,
Yes.
and then balls in catching fish for fishing also they are useful. Okay,
Yes.
fine.
So this chapter is going to give me
So
nightmares.
these are all the
Same.
important things about water. See, please know about compare the characteristics of flatworms, roundworm, and segmented worms. In segmented worms,
Sir, the
know
next class
all
has started, sir.
all the characters of earthworms. Okay, in school,
Yes,
what do you
sir.
want to say?
I didn't say
You want to
anything.
say something?
No, sir. No, sir.
Yeah,
I said the
anyway.
next class started,
So,
sir.
yeah, in next class we will see. Thank you.
Thank you,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
Thank
Bye,
you.
sir.
Bye.